Nigeria government brain. Nigeria government brain. Lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ tán wà yìí. Máa wo Nigeria government brain lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí. Lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ tí wọ́n wà lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí.
Empty. 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 This word here is a funny word. Why am I saying it's a funny word? Pay attention. Empty. Now look. If you remove the first letter, it's still pronounced empty. If you remove the first letter, it's still pronounced empty. If you remove the last letter, it's still pronounced empty. Empty. If you remove the last letter, it's still pronounced empty. Now, if you remove the first, the third, and the last letter, it's still pronounced empty. And even if you remove every letter, it is still empty.
Look at Saraki's son. Iyem finipulu. On fi dollar tenipu. Or what about the money that your father stole? Hard-earned citizens' money. Useless children. How many of you politicians, you fail to forget that nemesis will catch up on you? You steal people's funds. You send them abroad. You give them a lifestyle. And you think that all will be well with them. You people will continue to weep over these children. They will continue to bring reproach and shame upon you. People are dying in hospitals. Yes, people don't want to talk because they fear for their lives. They fear for their lives. But death is death. The first lady of this country, Aishat, is living in Dubai, receiving medical treatment because she feels she has an ailment. There are other people dying in hospitals, government hospitals, private hospitals out of negligence. They are also dying of ailments. Same. Yet, your life is more important to the life of that of a citizen. Who are you people fooling? Who are you people deceiving? Tell me how it will be well with you and will be well with your children wherever you kept them. A country that does not have parental value, parental care, parental association, and you want to blame our children and our youth for derailing from track. Tell me how you have trained them. Tell me the laws and the principles that you people have put together to curb our children's excesses. Tell me why our children will not bring shame, local and abroad. You are talking about USA, comparing Nigeria to USA. A country that will give law, protect the law, stand by the law, and abide by the law. If you people think you will continue to destroy our future, because every common man walks up on the street every day, seeking for food and future for his or her children. But you, our politicians, there is flood going on. You people keep money under your pillow. You want to use them for campaign. No government intervention. The government is not even talking as if they understand or they show some level of sympathy or empathy to a common man. And these are their funds and their monies that people have stolen and you have kept. Yet, you think we should be afraid to talk and fear your dear evil? Ask me why I'll be scared to talk when my future is bleak and the future of my own children is bleak. You people are nothing but shame. Heartless criminals. You go after Yahoo boys. You are the senior criminals. Shameless men and women in politics, in government. Woe betide all of you. You tell us we are shouting and we are screaming. Tell us what we are supposed to be doing. Rub your ego and say thank you for destroying the lives of citizens. Insecurity, poverty, lack of medical system, poor education. Children are just resuming after 7 months at home. What are they going back there to learn? Nigeria has failed under the dispensation of President Muhammadu Buhari. You people can tell yourself all the lies. Political parties that are richer than central bank of this country. Yet you people keep that money. Money that people are supposed to spend on your children. You want to get to government before you spend it, or you want to use it to attain that position and still go back to steal and recover that money that you people spend during election. Beba change one from one home, from one rehab to the other. Let's mama be one kiri, one hospital to the other. You think nemesis is meant for the poor? Or nemesis, money can pay for nemesis. The law of karma respects nobody's finances. Uncle I, eno lo ogun ike je ki ori yin pe. Auntie Abike, ẹ jẹ́ kí orí yín set, ẹ reset brain yín. And don't think that because you feel you are a top politician, you can come and talk down on citizens. You dare not do it. It's not your position. After like Mohammed go said that they misuse Twitter space. What are you doing? Abusing citizens. Irresponsible leaders you all are. But one day, all of you will continue to pay for the pain that you have caused any citizen. And those that have died, the answers, the bloodshed, one being, Bob, being one be you can deny it. The answers just passed. Una behave like say nothing happened. No word from any government official. You can only tell the lies for a short time. In no time, the truth will prevail.